Thank you very much for joining me again. And today's video, we'll see how we can isolate our sound and make it more clarity. So just simple, go into the settings, go to accessibility. When you go to the accessibility, just go a little bit down, you'll find audio and visual. So when you click on that tab, so this tab is control all audio and visual things. So when you go there, so when you just turn this things on, so you can easily, as you can read that, adds isolate as an additional option to enhance dialogue. When used, dialogue is completely isolated for the people who need maximum clarity. Other element of the audio mix will substantially reduce, which means it will give you clear sound and isolate of your voice. So that is, I think, very good feature for those people who having some hearing issues or something, and you can use for other purpose also. So by simple turning on this thing, you can turn off or on. If you like that video, thumbs up, share my channel with your friends, and like for more interesting videos.